The aim of this experiment is to find the pH of the following samples with the help of pH paper or universal indicator. The solutions we will be using here are dilute hydrochloric acid solution, dilute sodium hydroxide solution, dilute solution of ethanoic acid, lemon juice, dilute solution of sodium bicarbonate solution, and water. The material required for performing this experiment is, you'll be needing some test tubes, a test tube stand, dropper or a glass rod, pH paper or universal indicator, a standard color chart, a glaze tile, samples of dilute HCl, dilute NaOH, dilute acetic acid, dilute solution of sodium bicarbonate, lemon juice, and distilled water. On your screen, you can see this colored chart which has different colors in it. So this is the color chart that we use for finding out the pH of different substances. You will find this chart on the pH paper strips, and we'll dip the strip in a particular solution and then match that color with this paper chart, color chart, and see what color it corresponds to. Whichever color it corresponds to, that is the pH of that particular substance. An important point to remember here is that pH value of 7 is absolutely neutral, that is neither acidic nor basic. You'll get a green color as you will see in the case of distilled water. As you go from 7 towards 0, the pH range shifts from neutral towards acidic. Lower the pH, more the acidic character of that particular substance. And as you move from 7 towards 14, the pH shifts from neutral towards basic. So higher the pH, more the basic character of that particular substance. Let's perform this experiment now.
This is a pH paper, also known as a universal indicator. You can see the numbers 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 corresponding to different colors. We'll be using strips of pH paper to identify the pH levels of these solutions. Now we will check these solutions with the help of pH paper. In the first test tube, I have a solution of HCl. The second test tube has sodium bicarbonate solution. The third test tube has acetic acid, and the fourth one has water in it. So when I drop the strip of pH paper in HCl, you can see the change in color. It is changing to red orange, and if you tally it with the pH paper, you will find that the pH range is around 3, which shows that HCl is highly acidic in nature. Now in the next test tube, I have a solution of sodium bicarbonate, and sodium bicarbonate is basic in nature, so you can see this clearly. As I dropped the strip of pH paper in it, the color changed to blue, which is more towards 14, 12 and 14 as the pH. So it's more similar to 12. So you can say that the pH of sodium bicarbonate solution that I have taken is around 12. The next test tube has acetic acid in it, and when I drop the strip of pH paper in acetic acid, you can see that the color is changing slowly, but it is more towards a pale orange color. So if I take this out, this is pale orange in color, or you can say slightly between yellow and orange, which corresponds to pH between 3 and 5. So we can say that the pH may be somewhere around 4 for this. And then in the last test tube, I have taken water. When I drop the strip in water, you will find that it turns green, and green indicates a pH of 7, that is neutral. So you can just refer to this. This is matching exactly with 7. This is water, indicating a neutral pH. So this is how you can check the pH of things with the help of pH paper or universal indicator.